Hello everyone, we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can speed up our PC by just following a few simple steps in a few minutes in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, let us open our settings. So we will be making a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to settings option. So once you click on that, you will be able to see here in the left pane the system option. So please click on that. And once you do that, you will see the storage. So please scroll down. You will see the storage option. So we have here storage space, drives, configuration rules. So please click on that. Once you do that, you will see under storage management section the storage sense. Just please make sure that this is turned on. And if you see that this is grayed out, please make sure that you click on that and it will be turned on. And once you're done with this one, with the same window, we will go with privacy and security here in the left pane. So please click on that. We will look for diagnostic and feedback. Scroll down. We have here diagnostics and feedback, diagnostic data, inking and typing data, tailored experiences, and feedback frequency. So just please click on that. Once you're in here, all you need to do is just to turn off this send optional diagnostic data. Please make sure that this is turned off. This button is grayed out. Once you're done with this one, just go to the gaming session. Let me just turn that on. So we will be going to the gaming session. We have here the game bar, captures, and game mode. Just please make sure that the game mode is turned on. So once you have seen that this is turned on, just leave it be. The next thing we need to do is to go to system again, and we will be going to the power and battery. So look for power and battery. Once found, please click on that. For the power mode, please make sure that this is, or the chosen option is, the best performance. So please click this drop down button. You can click on this drop down button again for the plugged in. You can click on the best performance, and for the on battery, you can also choose for the best performance. Once you're done with this one, we will run a command in the run window. So please go to your desktop. Here we need to type or press the Windows R key altogether. Once this run window is already open, we will be typing services.msc. Now once done with this one, just please click on enter or OK. And after doing that, you will be able to see all the services here. We need to be looking for router system here in the A section. So we will be looking for router system. Okay, so we will be going over with the routing system. So if you see any option that says router system, please make sure that you have made a right click on that and then click on the disable button. So please click on properties and then click on the disable button for the startup type. Again, for the router system here in this A section, please disable it, and then we will proceed with connected user experiences. So we will go with C section. We have this connected user experiences. So please make a right click again, click on properties, and then click on the disabled button here in the startup type, and then click on apply and then click on OK. Once you're done with this one, we will proceed with the remote desktop services. So we'll be going to remote desktop services. We have it here. So please make a right click, go again with properties, and then make sure that the startup type is set to disabled. Once done, click on apply and then click on OK. And after doing that, we will go with downloads maps manager. So please go with D section, downloads maps manager, or downloaded maps manager. Once you're in here, please make a right click, go, or do the same process. Make sure that this startup type is disabled. Once done, click on apply and then click on OK. And after doing this one, we will go to settings, close this window, and then we will open again the settings option or settings window. So here in the left pane, you will see the accessibility. Please click on that. And then we will be looking for visual effects, this one. So please click on visual effects and please make sure that the visual effects is turned on. All the options here under visual effects is turned on. So once you see that this is turned on, just please make sure that this is turned off So please make sure that all the buttons here are grayed out. Now once you're done with this one, we will be opening the task manager. So we can do that by simply pressing in the keyboard Control Shift Escape key, or going here in the taskbar, make a right click. You will see this task manager option, so please click on that. Once you do that, you will be opening this task manager window. Here we need to go to the startup apps. You will see that option in the left pane, and then once you're in here in the startup apps, all you need to do is just to click the status for the enabled applications to be right on top. And once you have all the enabled applications here on the top, just go over it one by one and then determine which of the applications are unwanted or unnecessary, and then just make a right click on this disable button, and then it will be disabled. Okay, so once done with this option, or once done with this window, we will be opening again the run window. So in your keyboard, just press Windows R key. This run window will be coming up. Here we need to type appwiz.cpl. Once you're done with typing appwiz.cpl, just click on OK or enter. And then here all you need to do is just to uninstall or change a program. So here you need to uninstall all the applications that you think are unnecessary or just consuming too much data or resources in your device. So if you don't see, or if you determine that application unuseful, then just uninstall it from your device. Okay, so once you're done with this one, go again with the settings window. So we have here the settings window. So please go with the Windows Update option. Please click on that, and once you are in the Windows Update window, all you need to do is just to check for updates, see if there are pending downloads, and just take the action that needed to be done. And then if you have received your up-to-date notification, then you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give us to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.